All right, the remains of the last gentleman we were just talking to was an investigator and had some insight to some things going on in Joplin, which was interesting, and just met with his wife and their friend, and the idea is to get into this. Now imagine this. This is blessed because there's a frame left in the house. They're able to get up and do something. This house over here looks like just a couple of shingles, and this home, not too bad. These guys took a pretty big hit right here. They took a pretty big hit.